Hello friends, today we will study about component of car air conditioning system. As we all know, the equipments or systems available in any automobile for our comfort are driven by the engine only. So as we are going to add some load or adding some systems on the engine, at that time we are consuming the fuel of automobile for to drive these systems. So as we going on increasing this system in the automobile, the fuel economy will get reduced. So today we will see about car air conditioning system, what component it does has and how it works. So mainly the car air conditioning system consists of five components, five major parts. First one is compressor, second one is condenser and fan, third one is dryer, fourth one is expansion valve, fifth one is evaporator and blower. So we will start with the compressor first. So as you can see here, this I will show this in red color only. Yeah. So this is the first and most important component of this car AC, which is called as compressor. So this compressor is driven by the engine of automobile, and this compressor compresses the uh, air and refrigerant available inside this whole system. And as we know, this is the general common rule that uh, component or any fluid or any charge particle which moves from high pressure area to the low pressure area. So as here the fluid is compressed at high pressure, so it will flow from compressor to the low pressure area or low pressure region. So from this compressor, I will just change the color. Okay, so from this compressor, so this fluid will move in this direction and it will come to the second component, which is called as condenser. As here you can see, it is something like that radiator. This is the crisscross structure of fluid line, and it is having one fan. So air will come from this direction and it will go in this direction. So at this stage, second, at this condenser stage, when this fluid reaches to the condenser stage, the temperature, high temperature is reduced with the help of this fluid, and it is taken to the uh, lower temperature. Further, when this temperature reduces, this system, again it is shown with the help of this yellow color, this fluid with high pressure and low temperature. Now it will go to the third stage, third component, which is dryer. So at this dryer, the entire, it is once again I will show it with the red color. So this is dryer. So as this, whatever the liquid particles present inside this fluid. uh, so all this, what we can say, whatever the liquid particles available inside this fluid or refrigerant, so all these liquid particles will be converted into the gaseous form at this dryer, which is dried out, and then this high pressurized and low temperature fluid will be sent to the next level. Here you can see, to the next level. I will once again show with the green color. So at this point, that is fourth point, at expansion wall, this high pressurized and low temperature fluid will be taken to the will be reduced to the low pressurized air or low pressurized fluid through this expansion wall, and then it will be sent to the, once again I will use this red color one, and this, now this low pressure and low temperature fluid will be supplied at this point, that is evaporator and blower. So this, at this point, the air coming or blowing inside the car will be quite cold, required to the our, depending our requirement, it will be converted, it will be supplied at the lower temperature, and the air available present inside the car chamber will be blown outside. So this fluid from this evaporator will now once again move towards this expansion wall, and the pressure is reduced once again, and after this expansion wall the process will goes on like this, and this uh, high temperature and low pressurized fluid will once again move to the compressor, where it will be compressed at high pressure, and it will be, this cycle will go on continuously like this.